Alright guys, this is vlog number 8, bruh. I'm with Jonathan, we at Academy, you know. Fun to get wrist wraps, you already know, stuff like that. And I might get a ball, you never know. But yeah, bruh, we fun do our little ditty, do our little dab. Jonathan get off my phone on the accident, but you know, we back at it. Yes sir, Jonathan. So, I think the people want to know more about you. What's your ethnicity?
I'm Vid.
You Vid?
Yeah. And I always beat Kevin in basketball.
Oh, okay. That's lies. Are you... Oh. Do it again. Do it again. You know, it's in his genetics.
Okay.
Oh. You fun. Hey. Oh, he got the cool grays on. Hey.
All right, come on.
Look at all those balls, though. You like those balls?
How much does gold cost?
Probably like $99 for a cheap. No, I'm talking about like the portable ones.
Alright, somebody gonna walk up to you and be like, you can't record.
Dude, this is how you supposed to hold a camera. Not like this. A school fight. Oh, whoa. I swear this is how the school fight videos be. But dang, where'd he go, bro? Where'd he go? Dang. Ooh, you can ride one of them? Let me see something. Oh, whoa. I don't think you can ride one of those, bro. It's been a long time. Oh, okay. Okay, I see you. Get me on that bench. Watch this. I never rode one of these before, actually. How you do it?
You twist. You get on it.
On it?
Right foot. Left and then twist. Left to right.
You trying to fuck me up. You trying to mess me up.
Hey, I don't advise you to get on it. I don't be it for twist.
Nah. Hell no. Oh. Okay. Hello. Okay. Look at them gliding and stuff. Hey! Say what's up to YouTube, bro. Yeah. You can ride one of these? No. You want to try?
They lock everything, man.
Dang. Oh my God. Yeah, bro. He said you can't be riding in there.
They was hating on me.
They was hating on you?
Yeah.
Dang, why? You're just really that guy, right?
Right.
Oh, he's really that guy. Oh, I do need one of them. He got the wrist wraps in hand. Yes, sir. Let's see, what up? They got gloves. Oh, peep the drill. He got the gray sweater, champion sweater. He bought it himself. Yes, sir. Ooh. Hey, what if he dropped it and it cracked the floor? I ain't gonna lie to you. You don't care? You don't care? Look at his dreads, y'all. Look.
I don't have to.
Ooh, get me. I'm finna beat this dude's ass, bro. This the guy that was talking stuff? This the guy who didn't subscribe? The guy who didn't like and share my video?
Alright, let's go.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do to him? He ain't subscribed. He said you never make it in life. Oh no. Oh, aggressive. That's what you did to Jay?
I don't know who that is.
Yeah, we just purchased our item. Right, Sean? Can you repeat that for me? Okay. We finna head to this buffet, you know. Hopefully they got food, because sometimes they don't be having food, son. Where the food at? Where the dogs and cats? Ooh, I found the food. Look at the food. Look at Sean. Over here. Oh, look, it's a feast. It's a feast, bruh. I could probably get full with this one. Dude, it's a whole feast, bruh. Yummy. Look at you.
Wow,
Oh my god, that cat look retarded. Hey, look at you. Oh, Sean finna play with the cat. He finna play with the cat. Play with the little kitty. Oh, look. Oh. Ooh. Hello. I think I'm allergic to cats. What if she come out and she be like, hey, please don't tap on the glass. You need. Oh, look at that one.
I got 4 cats right now. I'm playing with 4 cats at the same time.
Uh-huh.
Wait, I got a black one, I got a white one.
Look at that one. That one's lonely, bro. Hey. Bro, you rather play with 4 than one lonely one? It's crazy. You're messed up. Oh, oh, oh.
Are you coming for food?
Yeah. But they don't have no food. Nah, my dog be eating the high protein, one. High protein one. Where's that, bro? It's this one, but this allow. I need a smaller bag of that. I don't know. Cause that bit $52.99. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to get this one. Sean, you can get it for me? Hey, strong man. Strong man. Ooh, strong man. Okay. Look at that back, y'all. He be working on that back. Real on. He be working on. Oh, he going fast too. He going fast. Whoa. That's a dog that tried to attack me, y'all. Alright, y'all, we just got done hooping. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all the little clips right now. I'm gonna show y'all only the good clips though. Well, we only made good clips, but you know. We only made good clips, but you know, yeah. know, we at the gym right now. Just pull it up. We finna hit back again. Finna hit that bit. So I'm finna hit his PR. You got your PR today? Hopefully. Hopefully. That's wrong. Do you? I bet. We finna go in.
Oh yeah, Kevin. Take that shit. Oh yeah, Kevin. Hit that. Oh. Keep going. Oh yeah. Yes, oh. Copyright. Hump it. Just like that.
You already know. Come on, bro.
What you gotta say? Word of the day.
Never tell what they don't ask. Yeah, we just got done with the gym, me and Sean. You know. Yes, sir. This is gonna be the end of the vlog. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, you know, and do all that good stuff. But peace out. Till next time.
Alright, let's go.